Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are using Single and Fabulous from Madame Glam. I thought this was like the perfect pumpkin-y type color, and I am actually going to pair it with this really pretty holographic over this because it's like a see-through holographic. I have a video on them and it'll show it in the video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to paint the tips. So I am doing full coverage nails over this for design purposes essentially, but this is like something you would do on top. I do have plenty of videos where I build out my nails, but this is a little bit easier on my nails. So what I'm doing is just giving it a nice single coat, and then I will go ahead and cure it and come in with a second coat. Coming in with that holographic polish, I'm using 162, and I'm gonna put this on 2 of my fingers. So I'm gonna do it on my thumb and my ring finger, and then I'm gonna give that a cure, and I'm going to apply some foil on my ring finger, right into that tacky layer. Taking a black paint, you can use any type of gel paint or a polish, whatever you want to do. I like a paint because it's a little bit thicker for when you do the design and it doesn't kind of move as much as a normal gel polish would. So I'm going to apply some moons, some stars, and then a couple dots here and there, and then I'm going to do a moon with a cat sitting on it because I think that is super cute, and I will put up the inspiration picture that I use. I found it on Pinterest. coming in with a matte top coat, and we are going to give this a full cure. Alright, I hope you guys liked this simple, quick tutorial. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.